Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can reset Google Pixel Watch 3. So you can do that from either your your Pixel Watch or the Watch app on your smartphone. So the watch, if you would like to use the watch for it, simply tap at the digital crown or press digital crown to open the list of apps. Then go into settings. Here, scroll down and enter the system category. Next, scroll down once again and look for the disconnect and reset. And here, tap at the stick icon to confirm. When it comes to resetting the Pixel Watch from a smartphone, you will need to first launch the Watch app. Then here, enter the system category. And once again, go for the disconnect and reset watch. Now let's press at this confirm button here and wait for the process to be finished, and just wait for the watch to be reset to its factory default state. So let's give it some time first. So in front of our eyes we can see that the Apple Watch, the Google Pixel Watch has its initial setup interface shown, which means that the factory reset or hard reset process was finished successfully. So you can now repair your Apple Watch to another device perhaps, or do whatever you wanted to. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.